Oh. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I name myself the great Johnsonkeyz. So in today's tutorial I want to show you a very sweet 2-5-1-7-3-6 chord in the key of C. So we're going to be using this song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Then it sounds like this. I wonder what you are. What you are. Okay, so the first chord after we played a Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So that was a 1, 3, 4, 3. All right, that's not where we're going. Where we're going is the 2, 5, 1, 4, 7, 3, 6. So let me show you that. So I'm playing just I'm playing. Let me show you the simple one first. I'm playing 2. That's D and F on my left, and I'm playing D and F, yeah, and then C and F. So you can add the A also to make D. What is this chord? D minor 11, right? No. Okay, yeah. Just a D minor 7. Yeah, D minor 7. Okay, the 11 is if we add this. Do we have it? Yeah, we don't have this. There's no G note. So we have a D F A on your left and C F on your right. That's a D minor 7 chord. Then we have on our left hand. We have a what's it called? We have a G7. That's a G and F, right? On the right you have a B and F. That's a tritone. We have a B and F on our right hand. So G7 on your left, B and F tritone on your right. So then C major 7. That's a C, E, B and E. So now we're going to this is also F major 7, right? Yeah, we have a F and E on our left hand, and then we have a and E on our right. So this is a B minor. There are so many minor chords here. This is a B minor. Yeah, we have a 1 minor third, flattened 7th, minor third in the key of B. So this is B minor minor 7. Yeah. So B minor 7. So we have a B and D on our left, and then we have a and D on our right. So then you take this. So you hold your 3 here. That's like this is E dominant 7, right? Yeah. You can add the D on the left also, or you might just omit that. So we have a flat and D on our right. Then which is the last chord, 6. We have a on your left, and then G and C on your right. All right. So together we have a Now one other thing I also do is, let me quickly show you. You can add the melody line on the top. Sorry, you can add whatever note you're holding here, you can add it on your top. So you can have something like this. Let me show you that one. So you say C, F, C. Can you see that? Then so whatever note is on the left, I'm just adding it on the right. So so together. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more chord breakdown, songs breakdown. Right, so I just ended my the tutorial on C dominant 13. Yeah, C dominant 13. That's C, G, E, and then we have a B flat, D, F, and A. So God bless you. Click the subscribe button. Bye. Thank you. Bye.